Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here. Hope all is well. It's Wednesday, June 12th. The market closed about 26 minutes ago. I just stopped streaming about 10 minutes ago. Um, if you were on there, it was awesome hanging out with you as always, and thank you for hanging out. Um, and if you weren't there, you should definitely see if you can make the next one. I stream every day during regular trading hours. I hop on anytime. I usually hop on anytime between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern time, and I stream to and through close. Um, I usually stream until after 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I try to get on as close to 2 p.m. as possible, but sometimes there's just so much going on. I end up getting on around 2:30 a lot of times. And then at night, if I'm at night, I stream during the London session when that opens. I usually get on anytime between 2:30 and 3:30 a.m. and I hang out for a couple hours. At night, you could watch me. Not only can you watch me trade like a fucking degenerate, um, you get to also hang out with some really cool people. There's some awesome people that hang out in the chat, and everybody's just talking about what's going on with the market. What's going on in the prop firm world. We're all pushing for each other. We're all there to encourage each other. All good vibes. So try not to miss one. See if you can make one of them. Either I'm always, I'm on both of those every single day at this point. The nighttime one used to be like if I was trading, I'd be streaming, but now at this point, I'm on every single night. It's just becoming a regular thing. So anyway, let's get into my Apex account. So yesterday, this account, I had it over the payout threshold. You have to get to 26,600. This is my 25K account. I fucked up my trade like when the London session opened. I went in short, got a little bit, I like $35, and all I had to do was hold that. And then I started going against the trend. If I would have just held that for another 10 points, I'd be done trading for the day, and I'd be $200 further away from where I was yesterday in a positive way. But no, I found myself down $1,250 quick, got it to like under 700, under negative 700. Then it was back in the eights. I was bouncing back and forth throughout the whole trading session during the overnight. Finally, just stopped trading and went to bed at like 9. I was down at like $900 or high eights, low nines or something. Got it within the sixes today, and then there was a dump that happened. Not the FOMC dump. Today was CPI and FOMC, so it was a crazy day. Like we're up a ton. We're up 254 points overall, but we were up. It was a lot more than that. That's the 15-minute chart. I mean, let me get to the hourly chart. Like it was fucking crazy. You know how it is. And then we had AVGO earnings after hours, and that's why there was that extra pump towards the end. But look at this. Like we were here, nuts. 263 we're at 610. Nuts. So anyway, long story short. Oh, and then I got caught in some dump, and whatever. It is what it is. Nothing new for me. Being within a pay, all I had to do was not fuck up for the next 5 days, and I would have been fine. So, all right, moving right along. Let me get to the other ones before this stuff updates. These are my Big Daddy 250K test accounts I'm copy trading in. As you can see, I got them up. Well, I traded this one by accident last night by itself, and I got it up it was like a $43 trade. I got after fees, it was like $43. So this one's up 940, and then today I copy traded. I traded them together. This one's up 896. So as you can see, it was like $43 and change on that other trade. So up plus 900 on these Big Daddy 250K funded accounts. I'm getting close. I'm at 3,600. Man, I hope I don't fuck these up. I really do. These are the ones like the 25K. I can't believe I did that. Like I'm pissed off of myself, but it is what it is at this point. And the other thing I'm pissed off about is this. I fucked these up. These were up like, I don't even know. If I go 6,500 to, I was up like 500 in these things today, and all this crazy FOMC stuff just crushed the accounts, and I just kept adding. I don't know. I'm an idiot. I don't know what else to say. I'm sorry, guys. If you're watching this, I apologize for sucking sometimes, sucking bad. And the thing that's really annoying, the thing that kind of bothers me more than anything, is that Apex's 90% off deal actually ended last night, and I was sure they were going to extend it, but that's not why I forgot. I didn't even forget. The rest of my day was so fucking packed with shit I had to do after I got off the stream that the day just literally got away from me, and I didn't give myself enough time to add more evals. I wanted to load up on these 250K evals because they were only $18.70. So now that sale is over. They're back to 71% off, which is not worth it. But they do, you know what is worth it? If you still have any of these still sitting in your account after nuking them, you could reset them for $35. You can reset any account right now for $35. That's the current deal they're running. It's like 71% off, $35 evals. My coupon code doesn't even work right now. If you wanted to use it, it's PWPCGSEH, but it hasn't worked since Sunday. I'm still waiting to hear back from Apex on that. So whatever. If you want to support the channel, that would be how you can support it, and you can't even do that. So at least you're watching this video right now and you subscribe. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you hang out on the streams. But yeah, I nuked these accounts. They're all these evals are gone. I'm gonna reset a couple so I could have them again. I'm gonna hold off on getting more 25Ks because during the 90% off sale they were only $16.70. So, and they're great. I think they're great, but I'm not paying. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for 80%. At 80%, it's worth it to get like a 50K. It's worth it to get 50Ks or 250Ks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset a couple of 250Ks and then work them up. I really wanted to get more with the 90% off. Hopefully they hopefully they do the 90% off again real soon. But 80% off is really good too. So in the meantime, that's all I got for you today. I have 2 funded accounts remaining, the 2 Big Daddy accounts. So I'm very happy about those. Let's keep the good times rolling with those, and I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.